See the man who won't stay for your meal, getting all the piece of pie for your wife. Everybody wanna know how it feels. Everybody wanna see what it's like. Living in a big house, I don't mind. Me and this is so the best of making money. Alright. Greenback Boogie.
Nazmi,
Yes.
do you watch Euro last night?
Yes, I
Yes,
watched
match.
with my friend.
Portugal, France, banyak show. Wow.
Oi, that last goal, wow, that goal
Very
perfect.
But the goal is penalty, you know.
I know.
Hey, Aman, let me come here.
Next time.
You know that we got a new project for the latest photography hub.
Oh.
You know Michael Yong?
Yes,
He want to do a new photography hub in Brickfield, Kuala Lumpur.
in Brickfield.
Yes. So I want you guys to get ready all the catalogs and our last project, and we are going to do a meeting in 2 days.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Catalog.
Okay, everyone. This is Mr. Martin Liu. Mr. Martin Liu.
Hi.
So
Huh?
this. Sit down.
Oh, thank you very much.
Welcome.
So, what do you have for me?
For the project at Brickfield. Okay, let me see. Nazmi, can you hold it for me? Okay. First of all, our site located at Brickfield, you know the River of Life. So that Whatever city, we make it at the nearby of the temple. So as you can see, our intention for the building are more on photographer. So the workspace function by itself, and we create overall of the building by the timber actually.
So, why do you choose timber?
Because timber we want the person to come to our building become like a seed, you know seed. If you grow it on the root until it become a tree and the leaf. So you make a fruit that the idea by the photographer itself.
I see. So, you provide me a space that can grow an amateur photographer to be a professional.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
That's what I want from you. I want a good architect that can design me a photography hub that can inspire people like myself, a photographer. Right, Mr. Adam?
Okay,
So, I want this building also have some features of feng shui. I want it to be clear at the middle, a very wide open space, so that the wind can pass through the space. So, you know, I'm a Chinese, right? So, have a feng shui feature between the spaces.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect idea.
Yes,
I will.
because if there is no feng shui, then I mean like I don't have something worthy, you know. Chinese people, rokok no chao hao tu.
Understand.
Take note.
Alright.
It means be honest and be punctual.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Adam.
Thank you, Mr. Adam. Welcome.
Alright. Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Alright, I expect from you very soon. Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Hey guys.
Yes.
For now, we have a new project from our boss, Raja Dawati. So, I will present to you guys brief roughly about last meeting with the client. So, here it is. First of all, I want to make our space for our building, which is our space, workshop, market, and gazebo for the outside. My intention for our building is timber, so I assume our building will be for the floor we use slab, wall, concrete, and then for the facade and the louvers we will use timber for our intention with the environment. So how about you, Karen?
I already have the estimate calculation based on our current budget, and I think the timber material is not suitable to meet based on our budget. So I think we need to change to a more that meet our budget.
So I think to change the timber, we can use steel with embossed wood finishing. So we will have the wood aesthetics, but we reduce the cost by using steel.
That's a good idea.
Mm.
So I can make a new calculation of the
Okay, nice idea. So, Karen, try to calculate it and send to me the total of the budget for me
so the draftman,
tomorrow.
so draftman must finish their drawing first, so I can finalize the calculation by next week.
Okay. I try to finish the drawing by this week.
Alright, thank you. That's all.
Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum guys. So, as you know, I already submit to you guys our drawing. Then we can start with our engineer.
Okay.
So, how the progress?
Okay, so the progress based on the drawing that you guys sent last week, I've calculated and I think there's not much of a problem. The structure can handle the load and everything. I think we can proceed with the structure.
Right, thank you. And then for the facade design, how about the material? Ibrahim?
From Zudi AZ Resources, we have some material that's suitable for your projects. If you're looking for some resistance and durability material, from supplier, we could suggest steel roll with timber finish. But you have more budget, you can use galvanized steel with timber finish. It is very strong, very durable,
Oh, can
UV resistant.
can I have a look?
You can have a look here.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay. And then, but you need lower budget. You can use aluminium zinc with timber finish. That one is the lowest spec, and I think it should be still suitable for your project.
Okay, thank you. I will consider it. Then, Mr. Ismail, how about your progress?
Okay, so far for my part is we have the problem about the wiring because of the wiring is costing too much of the budget. So I do suggest about the wiring need to be discussed with among of us and also the client to rebudget the wireless circulation or socket. So far that's all.
I see. Karen?
So I think based on the material supplier's presentation, I think the aluminium zinc finish is okay, and it's made to our budget, and that's all.
Okay. Is there any problem?
I don't think so. It's just that I think we need to make sure that all of our drawings tally with others as well, so that we don't miss anything. If you as an architect want to change things, then you can update to us as soon as possible.
So, we give you guys a week more for our second meeting. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.
We can go. Alright.
Hello.
Hello,
So I want to submit my drawings for the project in Bridgeford.
Bridgefield. Okay, so before that, can I know what your company name is?
I am from Raja Architects.
So you from the company what?
Raja Architects.
Raja Architects. Oh,
So this is the drawing, and that is the list of drawings.
Oh, this is the result. Let me see first. Alright, this one. And this second one is also, what is this drawing?
This is the building plan for the project.
Alright. If like that, I will submit it under the name of what company?
Raja Architect.
Raja. Alright. Okay, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay guys, introduce our potential contractor, Encik Hussaini. Encik Hussaini, can you promises? Okay, so for you guys know, my name is Hussaini and I'm from Loka Karya Company. I have managed multiple projects before, around 5 years already. So why you have to choose us? Because I have already conducted aluminium zinc with timber finishes, like inside your project right now, right?
Yes.
So that's why you have to choose us. We have a very specialist on this connected project. So how about your team? Oh, so I have conducted for around 50 employees behind me. And yes, they all have a very good workmanship, very good time consumption, and yes, they can complete this project within your approximate time. So for the time, the deadline time, so how long will take you guys to make our project? So as for now, for after I watch for your drawings and other else, I estimated around 1 month.
1 month, seriously.
Yes.
I think that the structure is kind of challenging.
Yes.
So can you follow through our?
Yes. That's why I put 1 month. Oh, because it's very challenging.
Oh, wow,
Yes.
you're very good.
I think that might take a long time to finish that.
Yeah.
Are you confident with
Yes, I'm confident with my hardworking employees behind me and what my project have been achieved around those years I'm in this project. So yes, I'm convinced.
With your 5 years experience,
Yes.
how you assurance us for your
Because I have a Hijaz Kasturi, you know Hijaz Kasturi?
Okay.
Before this, I have conducted his proposal before, and it has been accomplished. But your company only 5 years experience.
Yeah.
My son already 4 years degree. Put that aside. You have to watch my achievement, right?
Yeah, good, good. Professionalism and personal life separated.
Yes. Good.
Are you sure, dude?
Yes.
Me, 10 years experience as supplier, this is first time. Contractor said 1 month.
Yeah.
Usually 2 years.
Maybe 2 years.
Ah,
Because you have haven't made a local career company, right?
I see.
oh, so confident I am.
Yes.
Very confident. I like it.
after this? We need to have a look on their
Yeah.
Okay. So how about the cost? So the cost
what
that
do you
you
expect?
estimated for this specific finishes, I estimate around 20 million. 20 million.
20 minutes too much, bro.
Too much.
You're asking for aluminium, zinc steel with timber finishes, right? That is quite expensive, you know.
I think the architect can give you 20 million if you can finish it by 2 days.
Okay. So we try to consider it. Okay. So if you can finish it by 1 month, I will consider it. Alright. So any problem? Good. So good. So we finish our meeting here. Alright. Thank you.
Alright, welcome.
Okay, thank you, Shafiq.
Thank you, thank you.
Hello.
Hi.
Morning, everybody.
Morning.
So how's the meeting?
So far so good.
So far so good. So actually, I've been through different architects talk about this project. I'm finding the best among all. So I'm expecting the best from you all actually. Yeah. Can ah?
Can.
Okay.
We have
So-
our new potential contractor.
Yes,
Chief Saini.
My name is Sunny, that I'm from Lokal Karya Company. So I'm very confident that you will accomplish your project within a month.
Within a month ah?
Yes.
Wow, lo. Very fast ah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Very fast.
I never heard this.
Yes.
Actually, with the previous architect, from AR Space, they said about 2 years.
2 years. Oh.
Very long. I don't know why. And then from, I don't know, Dawu-ish.
Yes.
Dawu-ish, a bit faster, but fast 6 months. So 1.5 year. So I think this is a very fast track. I hope that the quality is very good.
Yes, the quality is top notch.
Yeah. So how much?
How much? Oh, for the approximate value, I have told the architect.
Approximate value is 20 million. You know?
20 million lah. Kind of not bad. They offer me 15 million and 18 million for that period of time. So I'm expecting that to pay many, but with as good as he said lah. I will consider that you guys will be the best that I will choose.
Yeah.
So I will update to your email soon.
You
Okay.
have one of the best architect here.
Yeah. So in this discussion, I found that it's very shiny, very good opportunity.
Yes.
So thank you very much.
Alright, alright.
Okay. I will make my work soon. Again, thank you. I will shine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Architect Amang.
Yeah.
Alright. Thank you very much.
Right.
See you.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, before that, why your face like familiar?
Yes,
Like
I've come here.
I've seen your face somewhere.
I've come here before
Oh,
for
okay.
previous project.
So why you come here?
So I want to submit the bomber drawings for the project in Brookfield.
Brisbane. So you from what company?
Raja Architects.
Raja Architect. Alright. Okay, let me check first. Oh, before that, I already see your mistake.
What?
Is drawing mistake.
What's the mistake?
You listen first.
Okay.
Okay, I asking you right now, what the radius for the fire hydrant? The range for the fire hydrant?
Oh, the radius is 45. The diameter is 90.
Betul, yeah, that's right. But one more question for you.
Yes.
This is my personal opinion. Why this drawing looks so intern jobs? Intern drawing.
Because this job is passed by the interns.
Oh, you're not intern?
For their practice. No, I'm not intern. I'm the draftman.
Oh, you are the draftman.
Yeah.
Because I asked you the fire hydrant range, you don't know, but it's okay. Maybe you forgot.
Because I'm draftman only.
Oh, you draftman. Alright, I understand your role. Okay. So I will take this drawing and I will sign it. I will give to the upper and get signed for this.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Hafiz, yes. Our progress on our side.
So as you can see, it's on halfway already.
Why halfway? You tell me 1 month only. This already 2 months.
It is because, yes, we need some money. We need some extra money because they have some what we call collision and other else inside this. And yes, we need some time because I have my one employee have been died at this site, you know. And that's why I have need more money so I can get more employees.
It is my fault or your fault? You tell me there is 1 month and only 20 million.
Yes.
So,
So
how do we settle this?
first of all, I'm very sorry because I'm not punctual as we agreed, but okay, so that is.
No, bro, no.
That we can settle it by. I agree. 3 months. 3 months already. 3 months. 3 months.
No. No. 3 things that because the country fall down. First, bribery. Second, punctuality. 3, women. You agree with that?
Yes. But. Can I have a bit more like 1 million just to fasten things up.
1 million.
Yes, 1 more million. because I have to assign more employee because he has that already. So I will try to convince Mr. Martin Lee. So we will try to proceed. Do your work, punctuality, please. Alright, that's all.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay, hello everybody. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, today I have good news and bad news. So which one do you guys want to hear first?
Good news.
So the good news is for the project with Mr. Matthew Lim for the photography hub, we have received our CCC certificate. And for the bad news is tonight everyone will overtime.
But that's not me. I'm not in your company.
Okay, that's all. Thank you everybody.
Mr. Lim, finally, your building is finished. Oh, wow, so beautiful.
Yeah.
I like. Thanks to the team and to Ranger Architects, we finally did the building of your dreams. Oh yeah. Shout out to your architect Amar.
Yeah.
And who that boy that try to complete. I don't forget. Tiny, yeah. Shout out to him. I see that the facade is beautiful. I like it all.
Yeah, this is the sleeping facade one version that you wanted.
I see.
And then this is the middle area you want with the feng shui one.
I feel love. Thank you, Mr. Raji.